How you doing, everybody? My name is Josh the RV Nerd, and welcome to Pure, Michigan, where 2 days ago it was 70 degrees and I was wearing shorts, and today I can't feel my face again, so I'm back in night mode. Frameless windows looking awful smexy, except for where this has been blessed by some birds. It looks like a Jayco Eagle took a crap on a Keystone Cougar. I'll probably get some thumbs down for that one. I think it's funny. That's funny to me. I'm also very tired right now. Oh, I gotta pull it together. I got the tired giggles. Anyway, I'm crying. There's a bird in a pin box next to me yelling at me like, "Shut up, dude, you talk too much," which, okay, true, yeah, that's what I thought. Come back here and say it to my face, bird. He brought friends. He brought friends. But they also contain one more hidden feature. And that is, of course, the Catalina Battle Fort. Surprise! Side effects of the Catalina Battle Fort may include headaches, nausea, indigestion, heartburn, upset stomach, diarrhea. Yay, Pepto-Bismol! I wasn't joking. They literally asked me to shut the lights off when I was done here. And I tell you what, there's gotta be a better way. There's like 40,000 million billion light switches in this place, but then again, I suppose it is a pretty big facility. Almost kind of seems like, I don't know, you would have more of them just on one switch rather than hitting these master breakers every day, but hey, get all these turned off. Thank Jayco, by the way, for letting me stay over and do all this. Tell you what, it's a little creepy, a little spooky in these places without the lights on. Did you hear that? If you stayed here to kill me, clap your hands. No. Cookies and biscuits. Cookies and biscuits. I love me cookies and biscuits. Going bald, but I don't care. I'm gonna lose all of my hair. I'm gonna be bald someday. Yeehaw! Getting around the middle section. Take a moment for reflection. This is all that I have to say. Cookies and biscuits. Cookies and biscuits. Oh God, I'm recording. And those of you who saw our previous video on this, you remember, this is Hammer Dance certified. You can do the MC Hammer Can't Touch This video. The other thing that you can do with this is you can do a little bit of, say like RV yoga, or maybe you're, you gotta do the funny little like, oh yeah, back stretcher position. Oh God, I'm stuck. Oh God, I'm stuck. I'm stuck! Stuck! Oh God, I think I pulled something. I pulled something bad. Hey, hon. Yeah, I'm done down here. No, I'm just gonna stop, get a bite to eat on the way home. Yeah, I know we're eating healthy. Yeah, no, I'm gonna get a salad. But he did not get a salad. No worries. Stuff you find on the way home. Look at this place, fireworks. Yeah, right. That's a good place to get kidnapped and murdered. That's the place where they find the body. If I stretch out here... Hey! I told you last time, get your shoes off the couch! Okay, I would have remembered last time. By the way, a lot of people don't know this, but I happen to be kind of an amateur-ish expert, unofficially, of Greek mythology. And if I remember correctly, Slesius was the god of Roman chariot sales. He was best friends with Asparagus, Lord of Vegetables. And for those of you that know me, no, I'm not taking the day off to go play Pokemon Go. All right, maybe just a little. Get him! It's a Pikachu! LOL, add me. Like seriously, why don't more manufacturers do this? Can anyone give me, actually, if anyone can give me an answer, I can go, okay, hey phone, why don't more manufacturers make their RVs outside showers actually capable of showering outside?
Okay, dude, you need to learn some boundaries. This is like the 4th time today you've needed me to look up the most boring stuff possible.
A little harsh.
Siri, do this. Siri, do that. How about this? Read a book. Just read a book. And leave me alone for like 5 minutes, please. Is that really too much to ask? You push my buttons so hard.
Okay, noted. I call that lightsaber lighting, by the way. That blue glow beam on the nose. It's just like... Ah! That's not true! That's impossible! Thank you. Just to give you an idea of the headroom, there's a picture of my old goofball self standing in there just to give you a reference point. So bald, so shiny! Kind of, private, little personal vanity, you know, something like that, where Chris Angel could go put on his stage makeup. The mind freak. I understand you gotta market yourself, but some of it does feel a little bit hokey. But at the same time, that guy's got FU money. And, you know, I'm over here, I've barely got RV Nerd Kia Soul money. So, hey, who's really the clown now, huh? It is nowhere near my head, actually. Okay, so if I manage to jump, I can actually bump it. I didn't think I could jump that high.